My video guide is about getting rid of the online scam that is associated with the site Redag.live. Redag.live is a malicious site. It attacks Google, Chrome, and other browsers. Redag.live tries to make you scared about the condition of your computer in order to force you into downloading and installing some potentially unwanted applications. So if you see these pop-ups by Redag.live, don't trust them. Don't install anything that these scary pop-ups promote. You just should not trust any of such deceptive statements by these fake alerts. I recommend that you carefully examine the system with Combo Cleaner Antivirus. You may get it on the official page combocleaner.com. Download it, install it, and start researching the system. Combo Cleaner will help you to effectively detect and delete all other threats from your computer. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, make sure you click on Start Scan button. Initially, the program is in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is so far available in the trial mode. The program most likely will first of all update its anti-malware database, and of course this is crucial for proper detection and removal of any malware, ransomware, adware or other infections. While the scanning by Combo Cleaner is taking place, please pay attention to several features in Combo Cleaner, such as anti-ransomware. This feature, for instance, allows to help you to add several folders that will always be protected against ransomware or malware attacks. At the end of the scanning, you will see the detailed summary of all the threats which were found on your computer. You will be able to know the names of all these threats, the locations of all these threats on your computer, and of course, based on that summary, you will be able to remove certain threats manually. However, we strongly advise that you consider upgrading to the premium license of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. This is the best way to remove any possibly hidden malware from your system and to keep your data always protected against any other possible malware attacks. So use Combo Cleaner Premium license to make sure your system is always under the defense against all contemporary threats.